whether the time has come for Indian investors to sell shares or redeem units of mutual funds to move investment to fixed interest investment options such as investment into government bonds or into debt mutual funds having AAA star credit rating, or put money into fixed deposit or to deposit money into bank account to secure money. Currently on early week of July 2024, stock market are at very good level. One can say that stock market are at high level if one compares with past levels, but it is giving a good sign that investors are investing in Indian stock market. So, at current levels, whether investors should keep invested in stock market or investor should invest more in stock market, or investor should sell shares or sell unit of mutual funds to transfer money to invest into other investments options? To get possible answer, it depends on approach and objective of investor who invested into shares or into mutual funds, but for analysis, investors may consider certain points which are: firstly, if investors need money and if final return after adjustment of taxes and charges are also up to expectation, then investors may plan to sell. Secondly, if analysis of investor or analysis of financial planner of investor believes that it is time to sell shares or unit of mutual funds to secure money on account of belief that market may go down in near future, investors may plan to sell existing investment in shares or redeem mutual funds. Thirdly, if analysis of investor or analysis of financial planner of investor believes that investment in other options, for example, investment into government bonds or fixed interest securities may yield more profit than stay invested in shares or in mutual funds, investors may plan to sell. Fourthly, other reasons such as probability of increase in tax rates on profit from selling of shares or from redeem of mutual funds, or increase of charges or imposing of condition of lock-in of investment, then investors may plan to sell. Accordingly, investor may do analysis. It is said that bird in hand is better than two in the bush. Accordingly, investors may plan. Disclaimer: anything said in the video does not intend to give any suggestions or indication for anything. Video is only the personal view of creator. Content of the video is not intended to consider as a professional advice.